Okay, looks like I'm live on LinkedIn and on YouTube. So if you can see, we are going live on multiple platforms. So we are live on YouTube, and I'm not seeing my own video on YouTube. Okay, I can hear myself. That's perfect. So I think I'm audible on YouTube. People watching it on LinkedIn, please let me know if I'm properly audible. Okay, looks like I'm also live on LinkedIn. So, welcome back to another session or another live quiz. This time we are doing it on DevOps. Sorry. So yeah, last time we did on Java Spring. This time we are doing it on DevOps. I'm going to share my screen and show you how do you join this quiz, and we'll talk in between. So let me share my screen and it's only the Chrome tab. Okay, so how do you join this quiz? It's very simple. So I think people who are watching it on YouTube or on LinkedIn, you can join now. Even I'm going to share this screen or the QR code for the people who are joining on Instagram. So we are live on Instagram as well. It will be fun. And I hope last time it was fun. So, how do you join this quiz? Now, first of all, this quiz is based on DevOps. And if you want to join this quiz, take out your phone and scan the QR code. The QR code you will see on your screen. Just take out your phone, scan it, you will be in. Make sure you enter your real name. So, in case if you win or if you lose, I mean, of course, if you lose doesn't matter because you will not be in the top 10. If you win, I should be doing shout out, right? So, who won this particular uh, quiz? And by the time you are joining, there are certain chats are going on. So Ranjit joined from LinkedIn. Yes, you're audible. Thank you so much, Ranjit. Deepak says hi. Hi, Deepak. I'm sure this is a photo which you took by giving a pose with a laptop. No one works this relaxed in the office environment. My team is not proactive or listening. Okay, I'm not sure what went wrong. So there was one issue, the call number which we shared for you for the inquiry. Uh, because of some reason, the number was down for 2 to 3 days, and I think it's rectified now. You should be able to talk to them. And the mails, even I checked personally, so I didn't see any unreplied mail. So let me know what is your concern, Kunal. Okay, everyone, please join. I can see 65 people have joined. And a lot of people are also leaving. Saipi, if you can check from my team, what is this issue of leaving? Shivam says, just joined your Java batch, excited yet. I mean, you will enjoy it. You know, every live batch which we launch, we make sure that you have this amazing experience. Okay, Deepak says that's why the photo was taken when I was in Dubai. Okay, cool. Okay, some LinkedIn user says, "Hello Naveen, I like you addressing everyone as aliens." Yeah, I love that. Okay, everyone, people watching it on YouTube or on Instagram or on LinkedIn, please join the quiz. I think YouTube is not sharing uh, this. So, what I would recommend is watch this particular session on one device and join from some other device so that you will enjoy the experience. So, if you got a phone, extra phone at home, Just take out your phone and scan. Don't join from the same phone, otherwise you will not know what is happening when exactly I'm going to start this quiz. Okay, Sonu is asking, I recently joined your Java Spring Boot course. Will the Spring security will be covered? Yes, it will be covered. Okay, so just want to say hi, people who are watching it on Instagram. Um, so we do this type of lives event every weekend. I mean, that's what I can say now because we did last time. Even if you repeat certain things 2 times, that's good. Hi Naveen, I have completed Git and GitHub complete course on Udemy. It's amazing. Oh, thank you so much. When the quiz is going to start? Once we have 150 participants, we'll start the quiz. I think YouTube is not sharing. Uh, I think YouTube is not promoting this quiz or live event today. Maybe I have shared the screen too soon. Let me see if Hitesh Chaudhary can join. We'll have some fun. He says he will back. He will join in 2 minutes. I think we'll wait. We'll wait for him. Okay. I'm new to DevOps. Is it okay to join? I mean, you can try out and see how many things, how much knowledge you already have in DevOps. Is quiz started? Oh, I think we have to wait for 2 to 3 minutes more, and then we'll start. I'm just waiting for YouTube to share. Uh, it's not promoting today's event. I'm not sure what is going wrong. Are people busy today doing something else? Do we have anything amazing clashing with the live event today? By the time I will share the link for you to join, so you can also use this link to join the quiz. I will share the QR code in some time. Thank you, sir, for your fast API playlist, simple and best video. Oh, thank you so much, Ashwin. YouTube is promoting, I think. Okay, the way YouTube algorithm works is when you have an event, let's say if I upload a video or if I'm going live, it basically sends notification to only few people, and based on their reaction, it spreads out. Okay. LinkedIn is also promoting. I think it's same with the LinkedIn as well. Because the live counter which I see is less compared to last time. It may be because of the topic, because last time we did Java and Spring. This time we are doing it uh, with DevOps. Okay, Harsh from my team says Saturday night, sir. So uh, Harsh wanted to enjoy his weekend somewhere, and I said, "Hey, we are going live today. Don't go anywhere." And that's why it's saying that. Got huge interest on Java by seeing your course. Oh, thank you so much. Yes, please hit that like button, everyone. Okay, so I'm going to share the screen once again and I will let people join this. Share screen, Chrome tab, and share. So, how do you join this? It's very simple. You take out some other phone and scan the QR code, and you can join this quiz. And we'll start exactly once we have 150 active participants playing the quiz. How long is the quiz? I think it should be around 15 questions. And the thing is, even I have not seen the questions. I have asked my team to create these questions. So if I'm not able to answer, uh, you will know. Okay, Mrityunjay says, "Hi Naveen, you are one of the best Java tutor. Thanks for awesome videos." So thank you so much. Okay, I don't know why. So last time we crossed around 200 active participants playing the quiz. Today it's not even crossing 150. We stuck at 100. So let's wait for 2 more minutes and then we're going to start. So this is 90. I mean 7:12. We'll start exactly at 7:15. And by the time you're joining, let me answer some questions. Okay to join for a person who is new to DevOps? Yes, it's good. And we got a guest. You can just see. I think I've already revealed it. Hey, hi Desh,
Hello,
how
hello,
are
hello,
you?
hello. All good, sir.
So Chayo and code on the Lisco.
Nice, nice. Oh, nice. There is new Telesco quiz.
Yes, so we are doing a quiz
Finally,
on
it's in
DevOps.
action.
Last time we did on yeah. So last time we did it on Spring and Java. It was good. This time we are doing it in on DevOps. And since you have already taken DevOps batch, we can have some fun here.
That is
And don't
pretty
worry, I'll
good.
not put you on the pointer to answer this. And how it's going, everything with the videos, with the uh, live.
Uh, just coding a lot these days. No videos, nothing. Building few stuff and putting.
Uh,
But the UI interface, oh, this is pulled up nicely. The
yeah,
colors,
so team
the
is working very
arrangement,
hard.
alignment. I
So
like
there's
the
a greeting
font.
for
I like the
you.
color.
I think only two colors are working in the market now: green and orange.
But this one you have pulled up nicely. The background blue color, it's going very nice.
Oh, thank you. I'll forward this message to my team. Of course, they will be happy,
Yeah,
especially people in the front end. And
last time I talked to them, I dismissed their design.
this time they will
But
be
this
happy. I
time
think
I'm
they are watching this. Saipi is there. I think in the Saipi and Naman.
let me check this on my
Project
screen
Java.
actually.
Yeah, Projects Java live में होंगे वही जैसे हम पे डाल. Yeah. Okay.
Oh man, this
So
time you have
Hitesh is
nailed the
building
whole
Jubilee. That's right. So even I wanted to explore the platform, uh, but that's a good name you got, Jubilee.
chugli. I had to shut it down.
Oh, is it? It's not live
It
now.
too bill, too much bill.
Oh,
Within 3 days, we got 3,000 rooms, and people were talking left and right. It got popular in Egypt. It got popular in Spain. I had to shut it down. It was going left and right.
Hmm. Okay, so I think they're waiting for the quiz. So all set. Let's start with the quiz, and let me hide this. Again, you can still join once we start the quiz. I will share the QR code on the screen, and you can join. Um, so how this goes is for the first two questions are basically fill in the blanks. There's no points for that. The actual quiz will start after that, and for each question, basically you have to give right answer. But if the faster you give the answer, the more points you will get. That's how it works. And I'm going to start the presentation. The first question, again, there's no points for this. You can answer whatever you want, just don't use bad words. The most common problem, right?
This is actually one of the very tricky problem to solve in the front end. When so much of the data comes up and you have to reshuffle the data, we
Yeah,
had to do some of the circus, and I'm pretty sure your developers also have done the same circus, because in React or any application, if the data comes up, it needs to reload the page, and to prevent that reload and still get that fresh data, it is good problem to solve.
yeah. I'm sure they will be very happy today. So Naman is there from our team. Gaurav is there from our team. Saipu should also be there. Okay, so the most so in DevOps, when something breaks at 2 a.m., we say it worked in my machine. That's right. So majority of you went for this. Okay, interesting points. Uh, okay, cool. Next one. When manager says small change, DevOps here. Okay, maybe we can expect some bad words here. But there's a message for you, Hitesh.
Yeah, sure.
आज तो कोहॉर्ट का फर्स्ट क्लास है ना हितेश
यस। इसलिए मैं जल्दी चला जाऊंगा, बट ठीक है।
सो व्हाट टाइम
कोहोर्ट
योर
इज
कोच
व्हाट आई
स्टार्ट्स
लव। 8 बजे। 8।
ओके कूल सो वीकेंड इज गॉन वीकेंड इज कैंसल्ड okay majority I can see is ruined gone cooked and some f word but that's fine okay so let's start with the actual quiz now since we have less amount of time and you can still join with this QR code if you want to join this quiz so here we go the first question I think oh why I'm saying 26 questions here oh that will be huge okay let's do that quickly then so the first question everyone coming on your screen and here we go oh we have no this is not the first question I should have checked the quiz before starting I wanted to surprise myself and I'm surprised when monitoring alert comes DevOps reaction first coffee then
These quizzes are so fun. I enjoy them so much.
yeah
Nice. If anybody listening to me from the team, can we just clear off the state of this input once I have hit the submit?
I mean you can still see that on your screen is it
Yeah, the input, it is not doable. It's not doing anything. That's good. But if you can clear
okay
that state, that would be awesome.
cool okay I think we have one more filling the blanks no okay so it started so first question everyone and then remember you have to also answer as fast as possible so people watching it on Instagram you can join using this QR code
Oh, there is a bug in this one.
where is it
I just select the answer and it, don't ask me to submit it. Just The first one I click, it submits.
Yeah, it submits. Okay. So which
But oh,
command
this time we have
shows?
this
Sorry, go
time we
on,
have pulled
Hitesh.
off nicely.
Yeah, yeah. So the team is working very hard on this. So which command
Hope
shows
they
live
don't mind my
CPU?
feedback.
I mean, they would love to see your feedback. Okay,
Oh,
majority vote went for top, and that is correct. But few people went for PS. Okay,
you're using my system audio also.
so yours.
Yeah, if I do any wrong answer, uh, the application is using my system audio also.
Oh, maybe I can just cancel that. Edit mic setting. And so don't see the option. No issue. Uh, Next question coming on your screen. So service stops after reboot. What did you forget? Yeah, I think I can end my Instagram live now. So people who are watching it on Instagram, you can join us on Facebook. Sorry, not Facebook. Why I'm saying Facebook. On YouTube and on LinkedIn.
Old
Thank you.
habits. And this proves that we are
All
old. We still remember the name Facebook.
have millennials. Okay. Oh, and that was my phone. So let's see the answer. And the answer is this system CTL enable. And most of you are going right. That's good. So you have a better DevOps knowledge than me. So let's see the leaderboard. So how exactly leaderboard looks like. So this is how it goes. So on top, we got Rupendra and Gautam very close. Even Rookie is very close. Then we got Shivam, Deepak. We got two Deepak. Soman, Ashok, Ayush, and Videsh. Great. And we are only seeing top 10. Maybe there's one. Okay, two Deepak got the same points. Coincidence. Nice. Okay, let's go for the next question. And here we go. You want to see the last 50 lines of log live. Okay, time up. Majority you went for tail, and that is correct. In fact, I have asked my team to make this question a bit difficult. Yeah, there's a comment for Hitesh. Hitesh are reviewing frontal like PR right now. Yeah.
That's what I do these days. I
Yeah.
hit my code get reviewed. Somebody else's, I review others people code. In fact, from last almost 1 month, I'm not doing much of the videos or any live, either YouTube live or
Oh,
just writing code.
but that's fun. And I think we get into that zone. So if you are making videos, we get into that video making zone. If you are into development, we get into that development
Yeah.
zone.
So much so that currently this machine is actually deploying one. So
Oh, is it? Keep the machines busy. Okay. Next question. CMOD 400 or CHMOD 400 file text means.
I had to be very careful while selecting any answer because if I
Yeah.
just clicks, it submits.
But that's something we did intentionally. I'm not sure how it goes from the user side, how they are feeling about it.
Now, once you get trained of that, then it's okay. First answer gets you with the surprise.
Yeah. Okay. So majority says owner read only. That is correct. Okay. Someone asking for the link. You can also scan this QR code, which you can see on your screen, and you'll be in. So the next question, or maybe we can see leaderboard once. Deepak, I think you went on seventh. Rupendra still doing good. Top two, no changes. Ranjit, new entry. Kasim, new entry. Ronak, new entry. Great. Kiran, new entry. Okay. Next question. Which file stores user account info? Okay. Gaurav is responding to you, Tesh.
Nice.
Yeah. So SIP is here. So Naman and SIP, they are into the front end now. Okay, let's see the answer. And majority voted for this, and that is correct. Next question coming on your screen. Since we have 22 questions, we have to be a bit fast. Next question.
But really nice questions and interesting
Yeah,
answers also. Very close by.
right. So you use only Mac nowadays, right? For the recording, for the
Yeah.
development.
For everything. Like it's been very long that I have done any Windows work.
Cool. When was the last time you used Linux?
Yeah, I was using it for a while, but then Mac became even much more stable and stuff like that. And there are few good terminals now which you can connect through any of the server and whatever you want to do. I just because these days the machines are getting much cheaper if you buy it just for basic machines. Either you buy it from DigitalOcean, Linode, Hostinger, wherever you pick up the machine. If you don't have GPU, they are dirt cheap.
Right. Okay. Girish says this quiz is better than last time. Yeah, we took your feedback. I think last time questions were very simple and answers were straightforward. Yeah, that's why
And
feedback is
platform
important.
has improved massively. There is
Okay,
like
thank you so much.
90% jump in the quality.
Thank you. It's also performing well. We are seeing less bugs in the back end. So that's good. Next question coming on your screen. Okay, let's see what you have selected. So majority went for main process ended, and that is correct. Last time, Hitesh, most of them were on giving correct answers. So we were saying wrong options, 0, 1, 5. But this time, yeah, it's a bit confusing. Let's see the leaderboard. Okay, I think Rupendra did one mistake there or two. Videsh is on top now. New entry. I think Shivam is a new entry. That's great. Next question. How do you fix it? I would just add a new disk. And there's a question for you or a statement for you. Hitesh has a lot of money. He could even buy a plane.
Ah, come on. If I could have bought a plane, I would have done it. but but the thing is, where would I park it?
Yeah. Maybe in your farm. You can get a chopper.
Chopper, yeah, chopper is doable, but doesn't perform as well as Activa. Nothing
True,
beats
true.
Activa.
Yeah. Even I use Activa when I'm coming from my home to office.
That's the best ever designed stuff. Don't touch it. And I'm talking to
Yeah,
you, Bhavesh. Ola, don't touch it.
don't touch. Harsh is saying something. You can park your plane at Jaipur airport.
Are Jaipur airport doesn't even park their own planes on time. We have international airport, but hardly any international flight goes there. Only early morning flights and evening flights. Whole day the airport is empty.
Yeah. Even same goes for the Pune now. But luckily the new Mumbai airport is bit near to me. So it's only 1.5 hour drive. So that's good.
Nice. Only 1.5. Nice. These things only Bangalore, Mumbai people can say.
Yeah. Because see, if I want to go to the Pune airport, and if I'm traveling in a peak hour, it will take 2 hours or maybe 1.5 hours. So same way I can travel to the new Mumbai airport.
Nice. For us, it's hardly like what, 20 minutes? If it is traffic, 30 minutes.
The perks. Next question. App not accessible from the browser, container running. Why? This should be easy.
This
This is how
actually
rumors
creates a lot
start.
of issues. This app not accessible from browser, container running, and all of that. And especially
Yeah,
if you're dealing up with the webhooks now, webhooks doesn't work on your local host. So you need to get your image or something up and running on cloud, or maybe some kind of tunnel you have to do. Very difficult.
right. Okay. This was easy. I think most of them were able to guess it. Next question coming on your screen, and here we go. So, what does expose 8082 do? 8082. Yes, I'm in Pune. So, let's see the answer. Oh, oh. Maybe they got confused
Oh,
because of the previous question. Okay. Is it the same, Anirudh?
yep. He is our big boss.
Yeah.
Big
In
boss
fact,
sees
my
everything.
cousin, yeah. So even my cousin is in CMR college now, Anirudh. Okay, next question. Docker Compose is mainly used to.
Docker Compose is one of the lifesaver. And especially if you use lightweight machines, you don't want to install big giant softwares like MySQL, Postgres, or MongoDB. Docker
Yeah.
Compose is your lifesaver. Keep small files somewhere saved in your system or GitHub, copy, paste, this up and running, this up and running.
True, true. Also helpful when you are recording a course, when you have multiple technologies in the same course.
Very helpful. And I though forgot how to install even database on any machine now. Because in production, uh, I don't want to take the headache of self-hosting my database. So there are good companies who does that way better than what I can do. So I use their service. And on the local machines, always Docker, nothing else.
Right. And it happened with me as well. So I was installing Postgres and there was some issue. And I thought, let's go back to Docker.
I don't even try. Stop trying. It's Docker Compose, get it up and running, get it done.
Yeah. So again, someone is saying we. Akshay says we don't have changing answer option because then your answer speed will impacted. Oh, that's from our team. Okay, that's Akshay.
Uh,
Okay, so almost the same board. Videsh, I think you're working in DevOps. That's good. Next question. Yeah, I think this is the first line you learn when you're learning Kubernetes, or at least in the first page. What is the purpose of this session? I have two
hang
answers.
out,
One, yeah,
hang out,
just to
chill.
hang out. Yeah. And second, to increase the revenue of YouTube ads.
It hardly gets affected, but chilling out is much more important.
Right. Yeah, it's only quiz. It's only quiz. Okay, let's see the answer. Majority of you went for pod, and that is correct. Okay, next question.
You are going too much into K8s.
Yeah, I should have checked, but it's fun. Maybe it will increase the curiosity. They will go on YouTube and search, or maybe ask to Chat GPT. At least they will learn something new.
There is
And
very
okay, what I'm thinking.
hard chance to learn anything new from ChatGPT.
True.
The
The
answers
thing
are
is, we are not
so
even
precise.
sure if. Uh, for me, the problem is, what if what you are getting from Chat GPT? There's no surety that it is 100% correct. So as a learner,
Even
if you're
if it
learning for
is
the
correct,
first
I'm
time,
okay. I am fine with that. But if I just ask it now, like, what are pods? It will give me just what is pod, and it is so precise on that that what is going left and right, you have no idea. When you are reading the blog or Stack Overflow, you see three other terminologies there that okay, this is also interesting. Let me read about that. That thing never happens on ChatGPT. It is precise answer, which is good. You feel momentarily happy that hey, I am learning because I wanted to learn. Because most of the
mm,
knowledge that you have and I have is stumble upon knowledge. We just somehow fall into those terms and we got curious that hey, what is that? I just want to know that.
yeah,
And then the idea came up that hey, I want to make a video on that. So that never happens with ChatGPT.
true, true. So it's making you think less. Cool. Next question. If pod crashes, who recreates it?
Me, you can answer me. I recreate them.
I was searching for that, a user or developer. Yeah, that could be one option to solve that problem which we mentioned. But you should know
I
what
also,
questions to ask, and you should take that effort of asking questions.
but I want to know what I don't know. So how can I ask question on the things which I don't know?
Yeah,
Like once you start asking questions on DNS and all of that, now then though it just says precise answer. It will never move you left and right.
true. So the answer is replica set. Majority went for that. Let's see the leaderboard once again. It's Viresh who is doing good. Rupinder, you can still catch up. You lost your first position, but we still have more questions to go.
All right, I need to go now. Need to set up
Oh,
for today's class.
oh,
But
right. You
thanks
have your first report.
and
In
good
fact,
work,
thanks
team.
for
Really
joining.
awesome.
Oh, thank you so much. They will be very happy today. They will do a hard party till 2 a.m.,
But
just
yeah,
like
this
Munna
time
Bhai
they have
video.
pulled up nicely all the UIs, bug fixes, everything. It's very smooth now.
Oh,
Bye
thank you.
bye.
Oh, thank you so much once again for joining, Hitesh. And we should do this more often.
Sure, just ping me up. I'm always on the system.
Yep. Okay, I think Hitesh went. Hitesh knows everything. He's one of the best guru. Yeah, true. Okay, next question coming on your screen. Why pipelines fail with Docker permission denied? So there's a question: do you organize webinar as well in Pune? Uh, we wanted to do some meetups, but because of some reason or the other reason, we are not able to do that. But we'll do it soon. Okay, let's see the answer. It's user not in the Docker group. Right. Okay. Next question coming on your screen. Jenkins job slow due to workspace. And by the way, one of the reasons we also do this live classes is to increase the interactivity, also talk about the courses which we are coming up with. And Jan, Feb, March is like the play time when we launch multiple courses, live courses specifically. And currently we have started uh, Java Spring, DevOps. So DevOps course is starting from 8th of February. And in March, we are coming up with system design and AI engineering. Any Gen AI courses you are planning? Yeah. So in March, we are going to launch it. There should be option to change choice in the quiz. The thing is, we want to improve the speed as well. So because you get the points based on the speed. So if you select the answer, click on submit, it will take some time. And that's how we designed it. Okay, let's see the answer. Majority went for old build remains, and that is correct. Next question coming on your screen. Terraform apply does. Commits to Git. I mean, don't go with my answers. Let's see this answer. It's create and updates infra. That is correct. And the next question. Why state file is important? I think this time we went more technical questions for DevOps. For billing. So the answer is track resources, and it's correct. A few people actually went for billing. Let's see the leaderboard. And oh, Videsh, you did mistake. Rupendra is trying to catch up very close. It's Somen, then Deepak, Rupendra, Ranjit, any new entry here. Anup is a new entry. And Hemant. Okay. So cool. So Rupendra, you can still do it. Next question coming on your screen. Security group in AWS works as. Python quiz, please. Okay. We'll plan that in future. And time up. Security group in AWS works as virtual firewall. That's right. Let's see the leaderboard. Okay, Rupendra is catching up. It's second position. Good job. Next question. And here we go. IAM is mainly for. I would go for billing. Okay, Deepak says, I really appreciate all the questions. They are really well thought out. Thank you so much. Yeah, it goes to my team because they create the questions. More DevOps quiz, please. It's really helpful and fun. And let's see the answer. It is access control. Next question coming on your screen, and here we go. Public subnet in AWS VPC mean. I will go for cost. And time up. Let's see. It has internet gateway route. That's right. Okay, next question. EC2 unreachable after launch. Happened with me multiple times. Okay, so let's say the answer. It's any of those, any of this. No internet gateway. Okay, right. Okay, let's see the leaderboard. And it's Soman who is doing well. So we still have one question to go. Rupesh, you can still do it. You're not very far from Soman. Then we got Deepak again very close. Ranjit, kind of close. Okay. So we have one more question to go. So Somen, Rupendra, Deepak. Let's see who wins. Even Ranjit can win, but these three are very close. And let's see the last question. App traffic suddenly spikes. I will just restart the application and crash it. Remove all the users. And time up. Let's see the answer. It is auto scaling group. And that's one of the reasons why AWS is so famous, right? Auto scaling works. But who will win this? I think Rupendra, Deepak, and Somen. What your vote goes for? Who will win? So let me reveal the winner for today's quiz. Sumit says, I have seen you multiple times near Budigiri Cross. I used to stay in Bangalore near Budigiri Cross, but last 6 months we moved. I mean, in April we moved to Pune. So the entire setup, the setup is in Pune now. Okay, so let's see the final leaderboard. And the winner is Somen. Good job, Somen. The second winner is Rupendra. The third one is Deepak. And this is our top 10. So, congratulations, everyone. So, once again, good job, the winners. I would love to know, are you working in DevOps or you have learned DevOps? Somen, Rupendra, and Deepak. I can't see. I mean, you will see your ranking in your own device. And let me know your ranking in the chat. Okay, I think this time they have some bug. Ranking is not visible. And how was the uh, memes or the images coming on your screen when you answer wrong? Yeah, ignore the final ranking. There was some issue. We'll fix it next time. Yeah, we saw the bug. Team is saying there might be some issue. Gaurav says we'll get this ranking issue fixed ASAP. Yeah. Okay, so on that note, thank you so much everyone for joining today's quiz. It was fun. We'll keep doing this type of quizzes every weekend. Yeah, Virat Kohli coming was cool. Yeah. Okay, there's also sound which comes when you answer. I should also test it. Okay, great questions and really awesome effort by the team. The team will be happy today. So on that note, thank you so much everyone for joining. See you in the next live quiz, which will be in the next weekend. Thank you so much. Bye bye.